Hello, my name is jia qing. Today, I want to introduce myself, and I am a first year in mechanical engineering student based in UTHM University, Tun Hussein, Malaysia. Everybody, did you know what is integration? And did you know how to use the integration to solve the total surface area, bottom surface area, or its volumes? Now, I will create a model to let you know how I use the integration to solve the volume and surface area of the models. Uh, Hello, this is practicing. Now we will use the practicing to create a model. A few minutes later, we will get this model. First, we need to identify the height of the model. The height the height is equal to 3 cm, and the base is equal to 6 cm. It means the radius is equal to 3. Now we need to measure the inner radius of the model. The inner radius the inner radius is 1 cm. Here is a model of laser marking head. Now I will move to the introduction. There is an introduction of laser marking head. Laser engraving is the practice of using laser to engrave an object. Laser marking on the other hand is a broader category of method to leave marks on an object, which also includes a color change due to chemical molecular alteration, charring, foaming, melting, abrasion, and more. The technique does not involve the use of ink, or does it involve two bits with which contact the engraving surface and wear out, giving it an advantageous over alternative engraving or marking the technologies where inks or bits have to be replaced regularly. The impact of laser marking has been more pronounced for specially designed laser-able materials and also for some pens. These include the laser-sensitive polymer and novel metal arrays. The term laser marking is also used as a generic term covering a broad spectrum or surfacing technique including printing, hot blending, and laser bonding. The machine for laser engraving and laser marking are the same, so that The two terms are something confused by those without knowledge or experience in the practice. X squared plus y squared equal to 9 and x squared and y squared equal to 1. This is the equation that they are created to find the surface area and the volume of the model. That is laser marking head part. Now find the volume and surface area between z equal to 0 and z equal to 3 minus x. And this is a formula to find the bottom area or upper area. That is double integration 1 dA. In this equation, the polar coordinate is using, so it will become 1r dr d delta. To integrate r, it will become r squared per 2. The radius is between 3 and 1, so substitute a 3 and 1 into this equation. It will become, the final answer will become 4. To integrate the d delta, the delta is adding in this solution, so it will become 4 delta. The integration is 2 pi to 0, so we substitute the 2 pi and 0 into this equation, so it will become 8 pi minus 0. So the final answer of the area will become 8 pi. And this is the surface area of the bottom model. The green line is 3 cm and the red line is 1 cm. Now I will explain the formula of outer surface area. For the fx is the differentiation of the equation and fy also the differentiation of the equation. To find the differentiation, the equation of x squared plus y squared equal to 9 is using. So the differentiation of x will become 2x. The differentiation of y will become 2y. So for 2x power 2 plus 2y power 2, it will become 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 1. To solve the integration of r, so the polar coordination is using again. X squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So substitute with it, it will become 4r squared plus 1. And in this step, it's hard to integrate. So the substitute method is using. So for u, the u is equal for 4r squared plus 1. The differentiation of du dr is equal 8r. So substitute with it, we will become 1 over 8 double integration square root u du d delta. Square root x is equal x power 1 over 2. So for the same thing, the square root u will become u power 1 over 2. For the integration, we were adding a u, so it will become u 2. It will become 2u power 3 over 2 divide 3. To find the r, we will substitute back again the u. So u is equal to 4r squared plus 1. So it will become 2 square 2 bracket 4r squared plus 1 3 over 2. Substitute 3 and 0 into this equation. It will become 225.0 06221. Now move to the next step. In this in this step, they have no delta. By using an integration, we are adding a delta, so it will become 225.06 delta. To solve this equation, we will substitute 2 pi to 0 into this equation and multiply 1 over 12. The final answer will become 117.84 centimeter square. And this is the formula of inner surface area. The explanation is same with the outer surface area, but the difference is the radius. So we only change the radius, we will find the final answer. So the final answer will become 6.220. To find the total surface area, to find the total surface areas, we will total the outer. We will sum with the outer and inner. It will become 124.0429 centimeter square. And this is the diagram of model of the model. And this is the formula to find the volume. uh, the in this case, the polar coordination is using, so it will become RdZ dRd delta. To find the first integration, we are adding the z. The integration of z is 3 minus x to 0. So substitute 3 minus x and 0 into z. So it will become 3 minus r cos theta r dr theta. Substitute now integration with r. It will become 3r squared per 2 minus r cubed cos theta per 3. Substitute radius 3 and 1 into this equation. This will become 13 minus 26 per 3 cos delta d theta. Now we will move to the final step. To the final step is to find the integration of delta. To find the delta, we will adding a delta or change the cos theta. So it will become 13 theta plus 26 per 3 cos theta. The cos theta of the integration is sin theta, so it's the minus sin theta. Let me explain again. 13 the integration will become 13 theta plus 26 per 3 sin theta. Why the answer is plus is because integration of cos theta will become negative sin theta. Negative sin theta minus negative sin theta will become plus sin theta sin delta. So substitute 2 pi and 0 and into this equation, and the final answer is 26 pi. Thank you.